everyone, I'm Denise and welcome to my dressing room. It's the Christmas season and I am so happy. I love decorating my house for Christmas, and I've done a few little decorations in my dressing room that I do every year, and most of all I'm looking forward to spending time with my family. So I hope you guys all have fun decorating too. I've seen some of your posts on YouTube and Instagram and they're just like, oh, amazing. So today I'd like to share with you my latest addition to my collection. It is the limited edition Louis Vuitton Baby Speedy, and it is in this beautiful sequins that just sparkle. And this bag is from the 2012-2013 collection, and it's the same size as my baby leopard Speedy. So from the ends from here to here that stick out is about 12 inches, and then it's about 6 inches high, no more. And then at the bottom here you can see it has a panel and feet, and if you measure from here to here it's about 9 inches, I believe, about 9 inches. Yeah, I got this bag a few months ago and it was on sale. It's just amazing. I like getting these type of holiday bags on off season, so because I've noticed that anytime that these these bags during around Christmas time, they're really marked up, but then in the summer and early fall they're really marked down. So I got it at the end of the summer, and I'm just so happy that I got it for a really good deal. You can see the sparkles here. If you look closely, it has the LV in the outline, and it just, like I said, it's just, oh my gosh, I love these sparkle bags. So it's again one that I have been looking for a long time, and I'm happy to finally get one. Comes with the rolled handles, and these ones are a bit I guess they feel a bit tougher than my damier bend. Like they're not so smooth, but I guess that's the way they made these Baby Speedies. Comes with the luggage tag, and then it's with the, maybe go on this side, guys, it's with the silver hardware. And I just took the stuffing out, and you can see the tag that comes with. Let me see if I can, oh, there we go, do it that way. See if you can see that. So all these limited editions came with these type of tags, and I believe the interior is like a textile interior. Now the only thing with this bag is the zipper is not smooth. I can't do it with one hand like I did with my other damier band. So it's so I have to figure out a way how to clean that and make that zipper smoother. And then these didn't come with a padlock and key. They come with the little lock here at the side. And it just clips like that. So yes, this is new to me, limited edition Baby Speedy, and it's going to get so much use. I love this this purple color, and at night and everything, it sparkles. Hoping the sparkles can see through here. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me again. I hope to see you in my next video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.